Hi, in this video we will create a virtual environment using Conda. You have another option of creating environment using pip, but here in this video I will just use the Conda for environment creation, and then I will show you that how we can install different packages through Conda. I will also show you that how we can install packages using pip. So let's move to our command window. Here I will just open the terminal. Okay, so I will create Conda create and I'll write the name of the environment. For me, maybe I will create Sajid 38. You can give any other name here, and here I can also specify the Python version. So maybe if I need to install Python 3.8 or 3.7, I will specify here. So for now I am creating an environment with the Python version 3.8. so let's see Conda create. You can also create the environment using pip, but since this video is about Conda, so I'm doing it using Conda. I think it will yes, okay. So it might take some time because it will install some built-in packages, so I will pause the video here. Okay, so environment is created here. You can see that Conda activate Sajid 38. Now if I want to activate this environment, I can activate it using Conda activate. Let me maximize this window. Conda activate Sajid 38. Here before activating, you see that here base is written. It means no environment is activated yet, but once I enter, now you can see that Sajid 38 is activated, and now I'm inside that environment. Now I can do any installations inside this environment. So let's say, okay, let me see that which packages are already installed. So I can see using Conda list, and here you can see that these are the packages which are installed, pre-installed. So if I want to use a package named pandas, I see that there is no package with this name here, so I can install the package using Conda Conda install pandas. Yes, and it will automatically install the pandas package. So it is installing pandas 1.4.4, and it's also installing all the dependencies that are needed to run the pandas. So it might take some time, so I will pause the video here again. Oh, maybe it won't take time. Yeah, so pandas is installed here, and if I see the list again, Conda list, you can see that a lot of packages are installed here along with pandas. Okay, now I can also use along with Conda, I can also use pip command to install different packages. Let's suppose I want to install matplotlib. Let me see if I have it or not. Okay, Conda list. Okay, matplotlib is not here, so pip install matplotlib. Okay, okay, so matplotlib is already installed here, so maybe let me check pip install. What else I can pip install? NumPy should be there. Okay, let me uninstall NumPy. Conda uninstall NumPy, so I could show you how we can use the pip to install any package. So I have just uninstalled NumPy, and now I will install the NumPy again using pip install numpy. Pip install numpy. Okay, so you can see that now we are installing numpy package using pip. So maybe I will it will take a few seconds. So you can use pandas, you can use Conda and pip to install different packages, but please make sure that if you are installing one package using Conda, then you shouldn't install the same package using pip. Now if I see Conda list, this package, I think it won't appear here. Okay, Conda, in the Conda list we have a package, a numpy package, and its version is 1.23.3, right? And the channel is py. It means that this was installed using pip. Now I can also see the list of packages using pip. Okay, so these are the packages which were installed using pip, right? So numpy 1.23.3, and yep. So as I told you that a lot of packages are pre-installed when you install Anaconda. So all these packages were pre-installed when you install Anaconda or when you create a new environment. So I hope that you understood what we did today. If you have any queries or issues, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for your time. Bye.